Alright, what's up guys? So right now it is Friday. I have literally one more week of school. Got through all my hard tests this week anyway, and pretty much have no more tests next week. So yeah, we're chilling, and then we have finals, but school is pretty much over. Yeah, school is pretty much over. Oh fuck, I have to charge this shit, and I'm charging my Phantom because I actually want to give it a, give it a little, want to fly it around, and I also want to get some good content out for you guys. So definitely putting a lot more effort into my content, because the more effort I put into my content, the more views I'm gonna get, and blah blah blah. The better, the better I'm gonna do on YouTube. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to produce much better content for you guys, good edits, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, because I feel like it's getting a little bit boring with just the same shit, with just workouts after workouts, and yeah, I know it's getting boring, but yeah. Alright guys, I just briefly announced it on my Instagram to a few, 2 followers, but next Friday, which is today's Friday, next Friday, somebody's here. Who is here? Hello, sir?
So, sir?
What are you doing?
Johnny,
Sir? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Freaking benching today.
No, you're getting out of my house right now. Yeah, I was just telling them. So pretty much next week, we're YOLOing a mock meet.
Where are you?
Well, I am. It's like, no, you're doing as well. You're maxing deadlift. You're going from 315 to 500, so you can hit 500 next time.
Honestly, that's a pretty good goal. I think I'm gonna have to stick to that.
Yeah. So all right. So next week we're gonna YOLO mock meet. That means pretty much all next week, which is good though, because we have no tests. All next week, gonna just be sleeping a fuck ton and eating a lot and just trying to get my weight up. Right now I'm 172. And yeah, so the goals right now that I set in the comments were 500 squat, 315 bench, and 585 deadlift. And it's gonna be really hard, but we have ways. Deadlift bar, because I know you just saw my post. You're like, yo, you're not, you get the fuck out of here. Yeah, no, but dude, those shits actually help. Deadlift bars do help a lot, a good amount.
45 pounds apparently.
Yeah, so we'll see if I could hit 585, and 315 bench. We got our ways. We got some cheat codes. We got some cheat codes. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. The cup. Two, one.
Come on. Up. 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 Please, yes. Up. That's not my thing. Up. Come on. Come on, Alex. Let's go. Light. Come on. 2 more. Let's go. Come on. Up.
Hey, mama, see the hay, mama, see the hay. Trip too hard.
Come on, now.
She told me that man could forgive her no escape.
Come on.
Let's
go. Let's go. Come on. Up. Up. Ah, damn it.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very big day. Wow. Yeah, so pretty much finishing up Candida week 5, and we are getting into a mock meet this Friday. We're gonna prep our fucking asses off on the best we can do at this mock meet. Today we have a big fucking day on squats. Also gonna do some bench today. Kind of went a little bit off the not like off the program, but just kind of a little bit not following it completely. Pretty much we switched from pause to touch and go. So right now we're just getting our touch and go getting our motor pathways better. Squat, we have I think 470 for 1 to 4 reps today, which is fuck, like this scares me, but we gotta come in with big dick energy today. On the mock meet on Friday, I want to hit 500. So right now we got some Chipotle. Gonna eat this, let it digest, and then squat. So let's fucking do it.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I had to come